Hi guys! Welcome back. So, mag-unbag and unboxing tayo ng ating skincare. Ito, na-open ko na pala yung box guys. Pero yung mga some items. So, first thing first, this one is from Sephora. And then, let's unbox this one. This is the, guys, Danessa MyWix Beauty Yummy Skin Blurring Balm Powder for face and eyes. So this is a blurring balm. It also uses as a as a primer. So let's open this one, And then may spoon siya dito. Oh, by the way, thanks Annie Nails for my autumn nails. Yeah, I have a full set of autumn nails designed. So ito yung niya guys, pa-spoon. Cutie. So let's open this one. Video guys, it was not please. This is a shade of, I think, Universal Radiant. So it's like a dewy, something like that. Like a dewy. So let's try this one, guys. Ating unbox is ating concealer by House Loves by Lady Gaga. So ito siya. Let's try on. I have a brush here, a makeup brush from Hourglass. So this is for the blush brush, guys. Isang brush tayo dito, guys. From ELF, I guess. Yeah. Try on this one first, no? This is concealer. So let's try this one. Guys, apply tayo ng konti, no? So let's swatch this one into our wrist para maano natin yung ating shade. Nice. The other one is this one, double-ended liquid brush for liquid bronzer and contour. One is I bought this pre-map extension false lashes from Ardell. Yeah, and put it under or over. And then the next one is I bought this The Ordinary hyaluronic acid 2% B5. Shit. About this House Love by Lady Gaga. I think this is a brush. Yeah, a brush. A foundation brush. Foundation. I have a It Airbrush Precision for shadow. For eyeshadow, guys. Ganito. Ito siya. Ito yung niya. And the next one is I bought the Tarte eyelash curler. So ito. I think may na siya free mascara. So let's open this one. Let's try this on. Very nice. Wow. Sana siya, guys.